Welcome everyone to the new Fly Fisher. I'm your host, Bill. Welcome everyone to the new Fly Fisher. I'm Bill Spicer.
Oh shit.
And I'm not, apparently.
I'm the mute.
Anytime.
Welcome everyone to the new Fly Fisher. I'm Bill Spicer.
And I'm Phil Rowley.
On today's show, we're going to be talking about approaching a new lake.
We're going to talk about this, just like streams.
I like the point. That was
Oh,
good.
did that?
Yeah.
No, sorry.
It's okay. I was stupid.
Hey!
On today's show, we're with Paul Castellano of Cast Adventures, and we're going to be fishing the Niagara River. Again, now the Grand River is a naturally silty river, so that means the water is always a little bit off-colored. Doesn't mean it's polluted. It's very, very much the opposite of that. Try that again.
Well, I'm a stillwater failure. I couldn't catch a fucking cold. No. Hello and welcome to the new Fly Fisher. I'm your host, Phil Rowley. On today's show, we're going to show you what a... Oh, I lost him. What happened?
No, I know, but he's around the other side right now. I'm pretty sure. He just broke me off on the surface. Pardon me, but
Sorry, guys.
For world-class fly fishing, come to Ontario. Oh, shit.
Australia is just a absolutely stunning stillwater brown. That's why we always say measurement pounds and inches. So I hope you've enjoyed today's show. I hope you'll able to use some of these. Let's try that again. Suspends it right over the bottom. There is a beautiful tiger trout. Sorry, Bear.
It's alright.
Watching this on the side. This one's quite green, and away he goes. Expert release, as you see. Whoop, whoop. Not exactly a classic release, but it's a fine parkland brown. This area is incredible. I hope you enjoyed today's show. I certainly learned a lot off of Phil, from a stream fisher to a stillwater fisher now.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye. See ya. Try that again.
A good selection of indicators, hooky style, yarn style.
That was going so well.
And here it comes again.
Fish on.
Oh, we
man.
have a double header.
Double header.
Whoop. Now this is how you finish a day's fishing.
You got it.
Double
Oh,
the,
boy.
double
Look at
the fun.
Oh, shit. Oh, I'm sorry there, Phil. Yep. I've come off.
Or I think what you've got is your fish ran across your line. Oh, I've lost mine actually. That's yours.
Oh.
Yep, mine came across you, so I lost mine. But Bill hooked one in the interim and he's on.
Oh, boy. Now he's going to spin me around.
Grab my rod.
Okay.
Grab my
And Colin, I'm really hating this for you. This is bad, you know. I'm not enjoying myself at all.
A little bit.
Grabbed the fly first, then went down. That's when I lifted my rod. If you get too anxious, you're going to break them off.
Nice rainbow.
Good one. Oh, and he let go. That's okay. That's he took the fly, actually. And it's heading right over for Mike. Oh, well, as with steelheading, you don't land them all.
So one of the issues I have in this run and fish off.
On this one, it just slightly moved, and that's when I set the hook. Now, as I was saying before, I'm up, and he let go.
Grab that leader, just give me a good strip of line there, and then good.
Whoa.
Oh no!
Oh, that could...
People ask, why do they jump? I said, well, that's why. To get away.
You're pulling them up. They just keep coming.
Average fish around here.